Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 5055E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 520M quick attach front loader. Tractor has just under 100 hours on it. It's a very clean tractor. It's practically new. Does come with the balance of the factory John Deere warranty, and again comes with the 520M front loader. The bucket on the front here is a heavy-duty bucket. It does have the John Deere style quick attach. Also has a front grill guard. Paint's in really nice shape on tractor and loader. Tires are in good shape. Has 11.2 24 front tires, and then the 16.9 28 rear tires. Foldable rollover bar, has a work light back here, rear hydraulic outlet, 540 and 540E PTO, has extendable 3-point arms. Speed power reverser transmission allows you to change direction without clutching. Very clean, very nice tractor, and again does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Double check the listing, but I believe that runs into 2027. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.